It's easier to teach beginners because they're going to make gains faster. It's harder to teach beginners with the idea of turning them into advanced practitioners because you have to think into the future. It's not just about doing today's skill, it's about doing today's skill in a way that builds onto next year's skill. Like the advanced athletes, they work on their own. They know what they're doing. They have that muscle memory. They need coaching, sure, but the beginner ones need the most careful attention, because if you want to turn the beginner athlete into someone more advanced, you have to have them following the right path. And if they take a wrong turn on that path, they have to go back. They lost time. I lost a lot of time. It took me probably about 10 years to get to a level that I should have reached in 4 to 5 years. But that was part of the experimentation, not having a teacher, not having materials to learn from. Still learned a lot from there. I don't regret it. Because in that 10 years, I learned many different potential paths.
What was the mistake?
The mistake was not knowing what I was doing and just fucking around. Basically, it wasn't one mistake. It was more like mindset. I was looking at the future, but I was thinking of doing it now instead of thinking, what is the path I'm going to take? If that makes sense. So I want to get to that box. I can't jump to that box. And what I was trying to do in my earlier years, out of ignorance, I didn't know, is okay, I'm going to jump onto that box. Ready? I didn't make it. When I should have carefully, and I didn't know. I should have planned a path. Okay, I'm going to get to that box in 10 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I got 9 steps, so I made my goal even sooner. But how do I know? Now I know that, but back then I was like, okay, I'm going to get to that box. I'm going to try to get there in 10 steps. So it comes with experience too. And like I said, if you don't know what you're doing, it's helpful to get a teacher who does, because it's going to save you a lot of trouble, a lot of mistakes. At the same time, it's not right or wrong.